In this video, we're gonna dive into the story of Emily shopping at the shopping center. A day at the shopping center. Emily had been looking forward to her trip to the shopping center all week. She needed to buy a few things for her new flat and maybe treat herself to something nice. It was a sunny Saturday morning, perfect for a day out. As soon as she walked into the shopping center, Emily was amazed by how busy it was. People were everywhere. Families, couples, friends, all shopping, chatting, and enjoying their day. The first shop she went into was a home decor store. She needed some cushions for her sofa. "Excuse me," she asked the shop assistant. "Do you have these cushions in blue?" The assistant smiled and replied, "Yes, we do. They're in the aisle over there, near the lamps." Emily thanked her and walked over to find the cushions. After choosing a pair of soft, blue cushions, she continued exploring the center. Next, she went into a clothing store. She wanted a new jacket for autumn, but she couldn't decide between a brown leather jacket and a warm wool coat. Emily tried both on in front of the mirror. The leather jacket looks cool, but the wool coat is so comfortable," she thought to herself. Suddenly, a voice behind her said, "I think the coat suits you better." Emily turned around and saw an older woman smiling at her. "Really? You think so?" Emily asked, a little surprised. "Yes," the woman nodded. "It's stylish and practical for the season." Grateful for the advice, Emily decided to go with the coat. She thanked the woman and went to the checkout to pay. Feeling satisfied with her shopping so far, Emily decided to grab some lunch. She went to the food court and ordered a sandwich and a cup of coffee. Sitting by the window, she watched as people walked by with their shopping bags. It was fun to imagine what they had bought and what their stories might be. After lunch, Emily visited the bookstore. She loved books and could have spent hours browsing the shelves. She picked up a novel that looked interesting and read the first few pages. "This is perfect for the weekend," she thought, and added it to her shopping bag. As the afternoon passed, Emily realized she had bought almost everything she needed. She made one last stop at the electronics store to buy a phone case. "Do you have any in pink?" she asked the salesperson. "Yes, we have several. Let me show you," he said, leading her to a display of colorful phone cases. After choosing a bright pink case, Emily felt ready to head home. Her bags were full, and her feet were tired, but she was happy with her day of shopping. As she left the shopping center, Emily thought about all the small conversations she'd had, asking for help, receiving advice, and just sharing her smiles with the strangers. It had been a wonderful day, and she couldn't wait to come back again soon. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.